people who are doing that are like neglecting the part of their unhealed versions, or they just don't want to face that, or they're just keeping themselves busy so that they don't have to think about it.
Just being in the nature, meeting a
Nature.
friend, it's not a waste of time if you went coffee and chatted 4 hours with your friends.
I do miss how I was 3 years ago.
तुम्हें अपने सेम वेवलेंथ पे लोग नहीं मिलते हमेशा, and that's a fact. Success is a feeling that is only felt in hindsight.
I don't get myself into arguments now. I'm very
Oh,
peace.
me
I'm
as
like,
well.
आपने बोला, I'm very happy. Let's move
Good for you.
on. I relate to the lifestyle, the mindset here, which is the growth mindset.
Socially, I think you have to say a lot of no's as well. Distance yourself ki I cannot be a part of this outing or go there, because everyone sees the before and after. Everyone sees the deepest of failures and the highest of successes. The messy middle.
That is what is like consistency. आपको रोज करना पड़ेगा.
मैं भी जब उस कंफर्ट जोन से निकली तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार कंफर्ट जोन में तो ग्रो कोई नहीं करता.
नहीं, लोग नहीं ये समझ पाते हैं कि कितनी स्ट्रेंथ लगती है to be We are finally doing the episode. Guys, we have been sitting here since 11 a.m.
And it's like 1:30
Yeah, we had so much work to finish. And
before we could hit record.
There was so much things today. And
It
I
was a
was about to
chaotic
get
morning.
killed today by her, but I'm just fine sitting
I
in
didn't
front
bring
of
the
you.
knife.
He shouldn't
You're
bring the
good.
knife. I fucked up a little, so it's fine.
That's okay.
It happens.
It happens.
It happens.
It's alright.
Hi guys, this is Sim.
And this is Gurish.
And welcome to another episode of
GG Unplugged podcast.
Where Yapping Never Ends. We forgot to say this every time.
Right?
I just realized that this is a tagline.
True. We should do that more often.
So, guys, I hope you guys had fun watching the last episodes that we uploaded. We got good response.
Yeah.
Yeah, the extrovert one was good. The dating
Yeah,
one
the
was
dating
good.
one
The
was
dating
good
one
as
is
well.
picking up right now, but it's
I saw
good,
that as well.
right?
Honestly, that's one of those episodes, like if you want to watch a fun, light-hearted something whilst you're doing your, I don't know, laundry, folding your clothes away, doing your dishes,
Yeah.
that sort of like fun, girly gossip.
It's very fun
It's very
episode.
fun.
We
It's one of
love
our
it.
favorites.
Yeah, it is. We might do a part 2, but with like a
Yeah.
group of friends or maybe with a lot of people.
That would be fun. And
Yeah.
also like having your stories in. I
Yes.
want to react to like people's dating stories.
Yes, you should post that on your stories.
probably will.
Yeah, guys, let us know your dating stories
Yeah.
or whatever stories, and we shall react,
react
to it.
to that.
No names,
Yeah.
anonymous as
Anonymous.
always. But let's get started with this episode, which is what I'm all blank.
Oh, shush. Yeah, she had a very long meeting, so it's anything but obvious. But dude, today we're talking about what it really takes to level up. And yes, we talk about leveling up in terms of your career, your life, like living standards of living, your physical health, your mental health. But what does it, because it takes a lot from you. Right,
It actually
building
takes.
something, it takes a lot from you as well. So everyone sees the before and after. Everyone sees the deepest of failures and the highest of successes. Everyone sees that, transition, but the messy middle, that is what I really want to talk about, and I want to have Simin on this as well. Like, what has your experience been about the messy middle? क्योंकि वो जो बीच का part है ना, the day to day, because when you're going through it, you know the day to day.
It's lonely.
It's lonely. It's so many things.
It's lonely, and it's the part that only you know. Number
Yeah.
one. Number two, you can't describe it to anybody
You
else.
really
even if you do, you can't.
You
And they're
really
like,
can't.
you're just doing your daily things. But I'm like, still, it's lonely. Remember one of the episodes I told you, you need to sit with your boredom to level up.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, that's so true.
Right? I think
That
that's
is
the
so
only thing, which is like you need to sit with your boredom to level up. It will be lonely, it will be bored, you will question your decisions a lot many times, but eventually it will be worth it.
No, that is so true. Because even I feel, यार जब अपने thoughts में अकेले बैठते हो ना, तब even if you're like, especially I would say if you're a creative, right? That's where your creativity actually brews. That's where you get वो जो सारे random thoughts एक accumulate करने के लिए भी you gotta sit down with yourself, with your thoughts to really see the potential of that. तो खाली रहना भी ज़रूरी है.
It is.
In a way.
It is. I think staring into like against a wall, into a wall, just for some time. It is.
It is as productive.
It is. What I do is I sit in my bed and look up at the sky. So that's like boredom to me. Like I do nothing. I just look up in the sky and then I have very random thoughts which I am not very proud of. Dangerous one. I was like, oh, my insecurities are coming up. Oops.
Okay.
But
Spill
that's
some.
but that's that.
Oh, boy.
Have you now overcame your insecurities? Like
Overcoming one's insecurities, I think, is a lifelong process. Because चार कर ली तो फिर चार नहीं आ गई. In the most
Literal
being
sense.
extremely honest and vulnerable here. But yes, I think I am getting there, but I am much more okay with my flaws. I think acceptance is a big part of getting over the insecurity. पहले तो accept करो कि probably ये चीज़ I'm not 100% at that, and then I think it's okay. Like I think as I talked about in the previous episode as well, like it's great, dude. This it's a complete package. There are going to be some good things about me, but I'm also extremely flawed as a person, and I know it. So that makes me less insecure that मुझे कुछ hide नहीं करना है. So somebody asked this. It's not exactly that, but related. That do you not get like affected by people with the allegations like Ozempic कराया, lip fillers है, surgery है, and I'm like, I have nothing to hide.
Yeah.
I know my story, so which is why I'm not insecure about it. If I had something to hide or something to protect an insecurity, right? I would like किसी को पता ना चल जाए. I would be so much more insecure. But since I'm like, I know my story, I've accepted it, I've lived it, which is why
there's nothing nobody can say, do, which will make your story more better or less better or like more
Exactly.
glorified. It is as raw as it is.
It is as it is. So which is why I think insecurities पे भी चीज़ work करती है when you're like, यही है, I can work around it. Some things I can better myself in some ways, but at the end of the day, कुछ चीज़ें बस है यार.
I think so, yeah. I think it's also, it becomes your second nature as well as you grow.
Yeah.
So my second nature, I get a lot, you are very happy-go-lucky kind of a person. I said, okay.
You are though.
See, I think that's just my second nature, that I keep laughing. I keep like, I'm very high on energy, but if you come into my room, if I'm working or if I'm doing something on my own, I'm very like opposite. Like as soon as I enter my room, I'm a different sim, because I'm like, there's nobody here, right? I'm doing my own thing, this and that.
That's
I'm not
everybody,
happy-go-lucky, this and that is where you actually realize what kind of a person are you, because for the outer world, you are a certain person, right?
Certain
but
version, I get you.
when you get into your zone, you are a certain person.
Oh, everybody I believe for a fact has different versions of themselves. और ये वो भी नहीं है कि अच्छा वो उनके साथ अलग है, उनके साथ अलग है. It's just human nature, I've realized.
But I think you are different.
I am. Oh wow, tell me about it.
No, I mean, I mean, everybody is different with different people. Like I'm very different with you. You're very different with me.
Yeah.
I would be different with my friends. I would be different with my family. So everybody gets to have a different version
or gets a different side of you, right? And some people, only very few people have access to this side of me, and it's a privilege. As I'm like, kidding, but. Yeah, so that is a fact, bro. I forgot what I was saying.
Guys, I have my coffee.
She's a happy kid now. I grabbed her some coffee. She was at a meeting. She's texting me in between. Can you go and grab my coffee?
Yeah, I texted her. Can you please go grab me a comment?
And
It was hurting.
So I hate messaging and messages. All my notifications are off.
Yeah, and I have to like.
She's waving.
I'm like waving from behind my laptop. Phone, check your phone. I need
It was
coffee.
hilarious.
Oh, but by the way, guys, on a lighter note, we will get back to what we were talking about. But on a lighter note, we are going to Montreal.
Should we reveal the location?
Yes, we will, because अभी एक हफ्ते तक नहीं आएगा. By the time we'll be back.
We're going to Montreal, guys.
Yes, so we are going to Montreal for some little
vacation.
Long weekend aa raha hai, so that let's make use of long weekend as we can.
Getting back to where we were.
Okay, coming back to the point, how much do you relate with this line? Loneliness isn't. Let me see.
पहले आप निकाल लो.
Loneliness isn't a sign you're doing something wrong. It's often a proof that you're evolving.
Oh, 100%. 100.
It-
Not even partially.
Yeah, right? And it hits hard.
It hits hard, which is why I said so confidently. I'm like 100%.
Like if you think again and again,
Yeah.
loneliness isn't that that you're doing wrong, but it's just you're evolving.
Yeah.
But then do you think that when we keep ourselves busy, like me, I can't sit in boredom, loneliness. So I like to keep myself busy with certain things. And then do you think then people who are doing that are like neglecting the part of their unhealed versions, or they just don't want to face that, or they're just keeping themselves busy so that they don't have
Yeah,
to think
I
about
get
it, evolve around it, or just like no,
I get you.
uske andar under the
just
rug
get
carpet get through the days.
So, okay, it depends. It is very like, yes, some people do, pick up things, even work, extra work and stuff like that, and friends and social life to distract themselves from something that might really be needing their attention, personal level pe, mental level pe, physical level pe, kisi bhi level pe, right? For a fact. They find their coping mechanisms. Some people switch to food, alcohol, whatever, and this kind of stuff, or social settings, घूमना फिरना करते हैं. But also depends. Some people are just probably, out there, very outgoing, having fun. Also क्योंकि हर बंदा, मैंने ये भी notice करा, हर बंदा life को जैसे हम ना बहुत project की तरह देखते हैं. Like we are very, in a way, I would say, very high achieving people. Like very
hyper independent.
हाइपर इंडिपेंडेंट, ओवर अचीवमेंट वाली वो चुल है कि बहुत कुछ करना है. सब में नहीं होती, विच इज okay as well. Which is okay as well. Like everybody does not have to be like hustle and grind. We chose this life. We are, such women. And पर सब में नहीं होती, which is okay as well. So it depends. Like I have some friends who are very like सही है life सही चल रही है, उनको देख के बोला था ये लेवल का शांति और contentment.
Like they're happy with their job, life.
They're happy with their job and life. They're very
They don't have
chill.
that itch that we have.
मेरे को बहुत है ना, हमें वो चुल की I want to be anything but mediocre. I like my biggest fear is mediocrity, just like being another girl, just average. So है तो है, फिर लगे हुए फिर अपनी ऐसी ऐसी करा रही है रोज आगे अपनी घर छोड़ के, दोस्त छोड़ के in another countries to be like I'll be this hyper independent woman then.
And I love it, bro. I love
like
it.
एक तो ना मुझे थोड़ी productivity का कीड़ा, like sometimes I catch myself being like अच्छा मैं घूमने चल जाती है, इस दोस्त से मिले तो instead I could do something. I'm like no, sometimes you actually need the other way, like the other thing. Sometimes you need the just being in the nature, meeting a friend, and like it's not a waste of time if you went to coffee and chatted for 4 hours with your friends. It to a point somewhere I did go to that level of productivity वाला चीज. तब मेरे को वो थोड़ा शांत हो जा, थोड़ा
That's like a free therapy.
Yeah,
It is. I have now prioritized, like I'm now prioritizing meeting my friends, meeting new
I'm starting as
people,
well,
and like
yes.
expanding my circle, because I feel like the more you talk to people, the more you hear their stories, their perspective, the more you talk about yourself. Like if you meet a new person, eventually you'll say na, what you do, how you as a person, then a conversation might go to some way, right? And then you start to learn a lot of things about yourself as well.
Yes, that is so true.
It is so true, and it's
When
like
you converse with new and different people, तुम उनकी बातों से अपने बारे में कितना कुछ जानते हो is
yeah, it's like a mirror to yourself ki oh, I'm not doing this thing. The other day, this last Saturday, we had a podcast launch of like Peter Torkan and Paige Torkan, who is like the Lux, on the Amazon they had like Lux listings show. So they have they're very popular luxury real estate agents in Toronto. So they started their podcast. So they're very much into manifestations, how they have they came here like with $200 and now they're like running $1 million businesses. Their stories and how with manifestation, meditation, with all those things they were able to achieve, right? And there were 2 episodes. I got to know so much about myself that if I'm manifesting, I don't manifest like hard manifest that we should. I don't journal every day, but what I've realized it, you should journal every day. That is what is like consistency. आपको रोज करना पड़ेगा. There should be nothing like not even one day जहाँ आप अपने gratitude नहीं लिख रहे हो या journal नहीं लिख रहे हो. It will take you places. और हम नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ नहीं, I don't write it.
That's what my problem is. We don't write
it down.
We
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
write it every single day. Are you having a
Yeah, no,
realization?
Sorry, I haven't.
Are you having a realization?
Yeah, I'm just like, sorry, I didn't react. 'Cause I'm like, it's sinking in. I'm
Ah,
like,
no,
yeah,
that I got
you
it.
realize it? I'm like, it's.
I have a very nice, how do I say, a
What do you
thought
have?
of
Okay, go
opinion,
ahead.
which is we are like, I have no idea about you, but what I've seen you have grown a lot. So the version I saw a year ago, you remember when we
Yeah.
met at a cafe, that's not the same version of
That's
you, right?
really
That is
not.
not. Do you miss that version?
Oh, that is such a good question.
Because I have a point there. Do you miss that version?
Can I be utterly honest?
You do?
Some parts I do.
I knew
Of course I do.
I had this realization very
I'm so glad
recently.
you asked that. Yeah.
Very recently, that we are so hyper independent, boss women, doing a lot of things, going about the world, facing a lot of things.
Yeah.
But I do miss how I was 3 years ago, that innocent,
innocence.
that, you know, I have no idea how to explain
The
it.
naiveness
The-
in you, the goodness in your heart, and the way you were so.
I thought everybody is good in the world, which is not.
Which is
80%
not
is
true.
good, but I was a person who was saying नहीं अच्छा, हम अच्छा करेंगे अच्छा होगा, which is true.
Which is true, but there's a hint of this little sprinkle of reality to it.
There is.
Because it's real life. Everybody, you don't. Wow, it's so many things coming to my head at the same time. So it's like तुम्हें अपने same wavelength पे लोग नहीं मिलते हमेशा, and that's a fact. What you can do best is जब कोई मिलता है, give them the initial grace, give them a fair chance, and then if they prove otherwise, then it's on them.
It's on them. And I think यही थोड़ा सीखना पड़ता है कि
हाँ.
it's not you.
It's not you.
It's them. कुछ भी होता है, it's them, it's not you.
Yeah, and sometimes it's situations and XYZ factors and stuff like that. But when you said na कि do you miss like the previous version of you, यार it is because मेरी तो literally साल 1.5 साल में, it's not, when people see the transformation, it is not just physical. It is how much I want to tell people. It is like, of course, physical is a big part of it, but
Yeah.
it's still not the biggest part of it. The biggest part of it is who Gurish Kaur I do. My mother doesn't recognize me मेरी कुछ बातों से और चीज़ों से कि तू कब से ऐसे करने लग गई और ये बातें और ये चीज़ें और तू
Me
इतनी
too.
सियानी कब हो गई and all that, and I'm like, I also don't know, but I think it just happened, bro. Like, because there's no like ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कल नहीं हो रहा था और आज हो रहा है, which is what I say. You know the day to day, but there's no clear demarcation. Just like with what people presume as success, it's not overnight, but it is an accumulation of rows कुछ करते
Tiny tasks,
करते
tiny
करते
accomplishments.
Yes, the piling up of that, and then you're like, oh, you look back. Success, like I think Zakir Khan only said it, success is a feeling that is only felt in hindsight. तुम जब पीछे मुड़ के देखते हो तब तुम्हें समझ आता है ओ वहाँ से यहाँ आ गए, पर
That is so
करते हुए तो लगता है रोज उठ रहे और काम कर रहे हैं ना.
It gets better every day.
Things don't get easier. Either you get tough or you quit.
Yes.
Things don't. Life is hard.
And I
dude.
think मेरा personally ऐसा है कि when you are growing, like if I look back at how I was like 3 years ago, I'm very happy whatever happened in my life, I'm here, very grateful. But I also started to notice red flags in myself.
Oh, हाँ मेरे को भी है.
And I was so shocked. I'm like, oh shit, bro. I need to change
List
this
some.
about myself.
List them. Have you been able to change some?
I
Chal?
have.
Okay,
So
good. See, that's growth.
I'm much more calmer now. I'm very calm as a person. अगर
I wanna get there.
बड़ी situation, like in the morning अभी जो हुआ, right? We had argument. And if I was like 3 years like younger,
हो जाता, हाँ.
तो I would have like done there. कि मेरे पे क्यों हुआ रहा है कि
मार दे.
कि done. But I am very calm in situations
That's
right now.
good.
And I've worked very hard for that कि कुछ आता है problem, it's fine. I don't need to react. मैं अपने दिन क्यों खराब करूँ? I'll just find a
Yeah.
solution.
Yeah.
And then I'll go about my day. I'm like, okay, let's see. Let's find a solution.
gotta get there. No, I do. It's so funny. कई बार ना मुझे बहुत बड़ी चीजें भी affect नहीं करती, कई बार मुझे छोटी सी चीज ना पूरा शेक कर दे. लेकिन anyway, like it's कि कोई चीज इरिटेट कर दे, गुस्सा आ गया, कुछ बेसिक सी चीज.
Yeah, that's a human nature.
या लाइक पूरा ही मूड खराब कर दे. कभी मुझे इतनी बड़ी चीजों से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हम लाइक हाँ ठीक है, अगले महीने का रेंट नहीं है, कोई नहीं, लाइक जस्ट. और कभी किसने ये बोल कैसे दिया?
Okay. Okay, let's list three red flags.
Yeah.
What 3 red flags you have noticed in yourself
myself?
during this journey, and then I'll tell my 3 red flags.
I'm impatient, but I have tried to make it, tried to use it as in a better way, I would say. Impatience as in, मुझे एक तो बहुत बड़े गोल्स और पेशेंस नहीं है, तो मुझे अभी चाहिए. तो मुझे अभी चाहिए का मैं बेस्ट यूज़ क्या करती हूँ? I just show up every day. I just do things because मुझे लगता है मैं ज़्यादा करूँगी शायद मैं जल्दी मिल जाएगा. It helps. I don't know if it works. Do you get it? Like, it's such a psychological thing that I've done with myself. I'm so impatient. I'm just gonna keep doing it. So I probably might get it sooner or faster because I'm putting in the effort. So impatience is actually a big one. I don't even think that's a red flag, to be honest.
It's just an achievement by now that we are talking about.
Right? Like,
what achievements? आ गई है एक साल में. It's not even red flags anymore.
Pick something out because I honestly I don't know in that case.
I think वो achievements ही आ गई. My red flag was I was very stubborn and I was very angrier person as a whole. But now I'm less stubborn. I adjust
you know
to some
how
things.
and where to channelize it, right?
And then I am more of a listener now. I listen a lot.
That's good.
I used to like yap a lot. I do as well now, अभी भी. But you know, जब कोई बता रहा है the one who is wiser than me या older than me, पहले मेरे को लगता था कि ये क्यों बता रहा है मेरे को. Like, who is he or she to tell me कि मैं अपने लाइफ में क्या करूँ? Entitlement, right? अभी मेरे को लगता है कि कुछ तो किया ही है. That he or she is telling me something.
Yeah.
Even if I don't want to follow it, I just listen it.
Yeah.
कि ठीक है, क्या पता कहीं जाके strike हो जाए that
कोई
thing,
बात नहीं, हाँ, सुनी हुई वेस्ट नहीं जाती और like
सुनी हुई. तो I don't get myself into arguments now. I'm at very peace.
me
I'm
as
like,
well.
आपने बोला, I'm very happy. Let's move
Good for
on. You do with your life, I do with my life. Very peaceful life. No arguments here.
Love this girl.
किसी ने बोला कि I'm not free today. Can we do next Saturday? Okay, we'll see next Saturday.
हाँ, maybe I don't hold grudges. Like, हो गया plan cancel, हो गया like
fine, cool. I used to. That's the thing. The red flag in us.
Me as well. Are you kidding me? I think those are things that I don't realize, but like
and
we
they're
have
very
grown
tiny
out of.
things that you
They're
don't
like
realize.
Small things.
I think वो आपको day to day में realize होती है कई बार कि वो I would have reacted very differently to this thing, but now I have not.
I think I'm okay with that.
With it.
Yeah.
I'm okay with people cancelling plans. I'm okay them prioritizing their life as long as they're prioritizing me as well somewhere as friends. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, now another spicy question.
You have questions or
no,
what?
I have a thoughts and like topics that we can just discuss about.
Go ahead.
Which like day to day have realizations that I have.
Okay. I'll shoot another one after this.
Chalo.
Yeah, because I didn't know like you had questions right now.
Because there's nothing on top of my mind. So I'm like, okay, let me see. Okay, you go then.
Okay. So one thing I had that when you're in this journey of leveling up in your life, in whatever sense, if you're building a career, a body, whatever,
business.
right? A business, and even just I think living alone outside of your country and stuff like that, and starting from afresh. How much does it take from your life also socially? How does your social setting change? जब एक करियर एक बिजनेस बना रहे कंपनी खड़ी कर रहे हो तुम्हारी सोशल लाइफ भी बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट होती है उससे.
In a good way or a bad way?
That you tell me. Both.
I think it affects in a good way.
Interesting. Go ahead.
Because you outgrow people that you left behind.
Love that.
Right? And then you are into a new country, you are a new version, you are a different person. You can mold yourself into anything you want.
Yeah.
And you can attract the people you want, you can be friends with the people you want. And then you can just be on your way. Like for now, the friends I have here and the friends that I have back in India, they're so different.
Oh, me as well.
Their mindset is so different. Their lifestyle is so different. And I am not saying it's bad, but I love this lifestyle more than what I had was in India. No shame to anybody.
Of course.
But I relate to the lifestyle, the mindset here, which is the growth mindset. Very growth oriented mindset. They are hustling, they are doing something. If not a 9 to 5, they are still doing something beyond the 9 to 5 in their life, which inspires me to do as well.
Comfort zone में तो grow कोई नहीं करता. Now I can so objectively see things from a third person's perspective, because I've like literally been on both sides, been the most pampered, coddled version of myself as well, जहाँ everything is being done for me, to like again जो सारी entitlement यहाँ के चली जाती है जब सफाइयाँ करते हो तुम से लेके जब jobs ढूंढने जाते हो, everything bro, सारी entitlement जब वो dishes दो अपनी धोनी पड़ती है और सारे काम करने पड़ते हैं, I think it really does go away, especially coming from the South Asian background that we do, where everything is just done for us. So we really take that very lightly. कि you know there's going to be a house help जो सारे काम कर देगी, मम्मी आधे काम कर देती है, वो रियलाइज ही नहीं होते कि वो कपड़े धुल के फोल्ड होके अंदर के चले जाते हैं अलमारी में, खुद रखने पड़ते हैं ना जब.
Oh my God.
तो वो चीज़ें होती है. What I was trying to get at that with that question was socially, I think you have to say a lot of no's as well. You have to distance yourself कि I cannot be a part of this outing or go there because I have different goals that doesn't align with that. Or a group of people, like whatever activity, like probably like, and you have to pick and choose, of course, and then but then eventually you find your tribe.
You find it.
Then eventually
You find your people.
You find your people. I'm like actually content and good with the fact that I've outgrown these conversations and these kind of jokes which are very like जोगी वो तो मुझे बहुत फील होता है especially कि पहले तो मैं फिर भी हंस देती और कर देती, but अब मेरे को ना वो भी करने में like
like there are certain things which your old friends say or do which does not align with who you are as a person, and it is okay to outgrow them. It is okay because you're not on the same alignment, you're not for the same purpose. Their goals are different, your goals are different, and it's fine to outgrow them.
Most definitely, especially बाहर में तो अकेले रहते हैं, जो भी कह लो बाहर रहना है, अकेले रहना वाली चीज़ जब वापस जाते हैं ना, you miss this place also.
I miss this place a lot. I went to Vancouver.
हाँ.
I was dying to come back to this
4
place.
दिन के लिए गई थी.
I was dying to come back here.
Jeez.
A week, but yeah, I was like by the end of that trip, I was like, I need to go back to my routine. I need to do my things. I need my time. What I do.
The my time I really get.
Like I need to do podcasts. I need to be going these shoots. I need to go out with my friends. That the life I have there.
You love the life you
built. I love the life I built here, and I wouldn't trade for anything because we have worked so hard
on it,
for this life. And I would not want to trade it for anything. I can hustle it here 10 times more and build a better life rather than just going back to my comfortable. That is my comfortable place. I'm the most raw, real. I told you. Like I am the most raw, real, Gursimran, same you can see in Vancouver. Nobody have seen that version of me. But that's the thing. This is my life.
Love it.
That's my previous life. But no, I am very proud for both of us and for everybody who have left their houses and homes. And it takes a lot of courage to build a life from scratch when you have nothing here. And then we are so proud of you guys. Agar aap koi dekh rahe ho and you can relate to what we are talking about. But you were also mentioning how you miss your old self. But sometimes you are tempted to go back to that old self.
And
why
in some
is
ways,
that?
of course, because it's comfortable. Because of course, you know it. As humans, we are designed to, and like, I think evolutionary humans are designed to seek comfort. Like, हमें सॉफ्ट गद्दा चाहिए ना जमीन पे नहीं सोना ना किसी को, तो वो कंफर्ट सब सीख करते हैं, बट वो सॉफ्ट गद्दे पे रह रहे कि तुम ग्रो नहीं करते, which sucks. You gotta get out of it, you gotta build that character, and then because as in when you choose that soft gadda the next time, as in when you choose that comfort, then you know कि like मैं अभी rest कर सकती हूँ because I'm choosing, and I can also leave this on my own will. But वो comfort में तो कई बार इतना stuck हो जाते हो that you're not able to get off that soft mattress. You're not able to get off that cushioned circle of friends in a lifestyle where like इधर सब सही तो है, इतना मैं क्यों ही उठ के मेहनत करूँ, राइट? बट इसलिए वो बिल्ड करना तो जरूरी है कि उठ के मैं कर भी सकती हूँ, वापस भी आ सकती हूँ, लाइक कहीं जा नहीं रही है. सो आई थिंक फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बी इट द कम्फर्ट ऑफ माई पीपल दैट आई हैव सीक्ड अ लॉट, विच इज व्हाई आई नेवर रियली वेंट आउट टू एक्सप्लोर इन दैट वे, विच इज द कम्फर्ट ऑफ maybe even food that I seeked, which is why I was not able to think of food as so objectively as it is fuel for my body and I should have it in that sense, and not just because it's so comfortable and tasty, and to just again comfort myself I should just keep eating. So when to stop, अब मुझे पता है मैं I have that better relationship with food, people, my body and outlook towards life. तो वहीं से आता हूँ, comfort से निकलने से आता हूँ. बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
It is.
And
Well,
it is
मैं निकलती पा रही हूँ. मैं तो
it
फिर
is a
तिरामिसू खा
very-
लेती हूँ. I love
It is,
tiramisu. So.
और सिर्फ सेल्फ कंट्रोल वाली बात भी नहीं है.
It is. क्यों नहीं है?
सिर्फ सेल्फ कंट्रोल वाली बात नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बैलेंस भी आना चाहिए. लाइक यू नो इट आल्सो डज नॉट हैव टू बी जस्ट रिस्ट्रिक्शन रिस्ट्रिक्शन
आप तो
रिस्ट्रिक्शन.
खाते नहीं हो. आप तो इतनी सी शुगर भी नहीं
Baby.
लेते हो.
तो वो तो मैंने कुछ चीज कट कर
Balance.
but then I also have like pizza or like drinks here and there when I'm out. You also know, like I'll eat out. कसम से I do बाबा. ऐसे मुझे गंदी नजरों से देख रही है लड़की. The other week you watched me in Montreal.
Done. Guys, I'll have some spicy things when we come back.
Yeah.
Are we ending the podcast here?
I think with that we're ending the podcast. Just know that if you're on this journey of leveling up, बहुत ups and downs और वो सब आते हैं और हमें, because we've been there, done that.
We're still
kinda
on the
journey. So one thing I know for a fact that the grit, the character that you're building, ये lifelong रहने वाला
This
है.
will be with you all your life. So it's on you how you build
Yeah.
your character. And also, if life that you are creating right now seems unfamiliar to you, it's fine, because you're creating a new life and you deserve this.
Transition feels different.
By the time you'll be somewhere, you will look back and see, oh my God, what a beautiful life I've created.
What a journey
What
it
a
was.
journey
more than,
it was.
So just try. It's hard. It's you know, it's easier said than done. Try to also enjoy the journey.
Try to.
कि मजे करते हुए जाओगे ना, कि तुम्हें पता है लाइक अब मैं एटलीस्ट उस पॉइंट पे आ गई हूँ, मुझे पता है मेरे साथ कुछ फकअप्स होते रहते हैं, कुछ नहीं हो रहा होता ना मेरे से. I'm like ठीक है अभी नहीं हो रहा, महीने बाद हो जाएगा, 2 महीने बाद हो जाएगा, क्योंकि करा हुआ है ये. लाइक been there done that. So it comes from a place of confidence. But हाँ यार, हो जाता है.
Everything is okay.
Eventually हो जाता है.
So that's about it, guys. We know that it was a little bit of a heavier episode, but we hope you got some value out of it.
Yeah.
And let us know if there is something else you want us to talk about, or some guests you want us to bring on, or some topics you want to discuss
Yeah,
on.
suggest some guests, probably in Toronto, because we are in here. If you want to get, want us to get anybody.
Yeah, if you love a content creator that you would love us to have on our podcast,
we would absolutely love to reach out and get them for you.
बस वो हमें ब्लॉक ना कर दे. कितना बोलती हैं ये लोग.
ये चपड़ चपड़ नींद की पॉडकास्ट में बुला रही है भाई.
But yeah,
I
that's
think
about
with that we are done with today's episode. It was a fun one.
It was a deep one. The next one will be the fun one.
It was a cathartic one. Can I just like I let some things off my chest? It feels like it.
It feels good.
It feels good.
But with that, we will see you
In our next one.
Bye bye.
See you.